In a world where we strive for progress and success, there's an undeniable truth that many of us often overlook. We get so busy chasing our dreams that we forget to address the cracks in the foundation of our lives. Life is like a house we build, brick by brick, decision by decision. But what happens when we ignore the signs that parts of our house are falling apart? We all face setbacks and hardships and moments of doubt. But when we push those feelings aside, convincing ourselves that everything is fine, we can create a ticking time bomb. The longer we let the issues fester, the bigger they grow. Those unaddressed problems, like heavy chains, hold us back from becoming who we truly are. They keep us from reaching our full potential and rob us of the joy and fulfillment that life has to offer. It's essential to recognize that not fixing your life can lead to a perpetual cycle of dissatisfaction, leaving you stuck in a place where you're merely existing and not living. The good news is that it's never too late to make a change. By facing your problems head on and taking action, you can break free from the chains that bind you. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and growth. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the profound impact of not fixing your life and the empowering triumphs of those who choose to break free. It's time to unlock the potential within and reclaim the life you deserve. Here are some general steps that can help you to start the process of improving your life. Step 1, self-reflection and awareness. Take time to reflect on your life, identify areas that need improvement, and be honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses. Self-awareness is the first step towards positive change. Step 2, set clear goals. Define specific, realistic, and achievable goals that you want to work towards. Having clear objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 3, create a plan. Develop a plan of action to achieve your goals. Break down the larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a timeline and hold yourself accountable for the progress. Step 4, identify obstacles. Recognize potential obstacles that may hinder your progress. Be prepared to face challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. Step 5 is to seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek support from friends, family, or professionals such as therapists or life coaches. Having a support system can make the journey easier. Step 6, take care of yourself. Physical and mental well-being are essential for personal growth. Prioritize self-care, get enough rest, eat a balanced diet, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Step 7, let go of negative patterns. Identify negative habits or thought patterns that may be holding you back. Work on replacing them with more positive and empowering behaviors. Step 8, embrace change. Accept that change is a natural part of life and be open to new experiences and opportunities. Embracing change can lead to personal growth and transformation. Step 9, learn from mistakes. Accept that mistakes are a part of the learning process. Instead of dwelling on them, use them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Step 10, practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the positive aspects of your life. Focusing on gratitude can help shift your perspective and bring more positivity into your life. And the last step, step 11, is to take action. Avoid procrastination and take consistent action toward your goals. Small steps taken regularly can lead to significant progress over time. Life is an ever changing journey, and it's essential to remember that not fixing your life can lead to long lasting consequences. Ignoring the issues that plague us will only keep us trapped in a cycle of dissatisfaction and unfulfillment. Life is an ever changing journey, and it's essential to remember that not fixing your life can lead to a long lasting. Life is an ever changing journey, and it's essential to remember that not fixing your life can lead to long lasting consequences. Ignoring the issues that plague us will only keep us trapped in a cycle of dissatisfaction and unfulfillment. But by acknowledging the cracks in our foundation and taking action, we break free from the chains that hold us back. It's through the process of facing our challenges that we discover our true strength and resilience. Jesus tells us that we must have courage and we must be bold. This is having perseverance and having strength to continue moving forward, even when we don't see a way out or we don't see the goal ahead, just ahead, but we keep pushing anyway. Each step towards repairing our lives is an investment in ourselves and an investment in our well being and happiness. It's an investment into the kingdom of God. By prioritizing personal growth and addressing our issues, we unlock a world of opportunities and possibilities. As we embark on this journey of self discovery, let's remember that it's okay to seek help, to lean on others for support, and to embrace change. Embracing the repairs we need to make empowers us to create a life that is authentically ours. Together, let's break the chains that hold us back and embark on a path of healing, growth, and transformation. Only by addressing our problems can we unleash the full potential of our lives. Your journey towards a fulfilling life starts now. This is the time to prepare for Christ's return by doing the Father's will and watching out for the wiles of the devil. If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready.